Hey, it's Tom Zeeb with Traction Real Estate Mentors, and in today's quick video, I want to teach you that there's really only two types of real estate investing. You'll find this fascinating. Keep it rolling and stay tuned. Real estate investing has a lot of different exit strategies, a lot of different techniques. People say they want to wholesale, they want to rehab, they want to buy and hold and be landlords. They want to do notes, they want to do commercial, they want to do apartments, they want to do this, they want to do that. Here's the thing, it's all effectively the same. It boils down to two things. For each and every exit strategy technique, you're effectively only dealing with one of two things. What are they? One, it's a cash generating technique. It generates just a wad of cash. Or two, it generates cash flow. So it's generating a bit of cash spread out over time. So start to think about it. Wholesaling, what I specialize in, what I call rapid cash generation, that develops cash. It's a wad of cash. So that's a type 1 activity. It's also the exact same then as rehabbing. Rehabbing develops cash, a much bigger chunk of cash, but it's still cash. Then if you get into landlording, buying and holding, that creates cash flow. Commercial, apartment buildings, that's cash flow. That's all type 2. So there's nothing wrong with either type. What you need to understand is, what do you need right now? What do you need in your business? What do you need in your life? What is it that's going to work for you? Do you need cash or do you need cash flow? A lot of people confuse that. I personally started in the wrong area. I started by buying a 6-unit building first. That was a type 2 activity. I didn't need cash flow. I really needed wads of cash because I was dead broke. Had my circumstances be different, then maybe it would have changed, but they weren't. And I got myself into more trouble because I didn't have any money to deal with what can happen in a rental. A lot of things can happen. I didn't have the money to deal with a rehab. So what I wound up finding was that, with no risk and really nothing at stake, I could flip a contract on a property, wholesale, and make a great wholesale fee and produce the wads of cash I needed. And then over time, as I paid off my debt and as I got better and better at what I was doing and as my business stabilized, great, fine. Now I've moved into some phase 2 activities where I like to do some buy and hold. And I like to have things that are producing cash flow over time. So it's going to be the same thing for you. If you'd like to know how to find more deals for any type of real estate investing you're doing, whether it be a type 1 activity or a type 2 activity, then my deal flow cheat sheet will be absolutely perfect for you. This talks about how to get your message to market match right. This is how you stop kind of spinning your wheels and move into getting profitable deals through awesome marketing. I'd like to give it to you as a free gift. For TractionRealEstateMentors.com, it's Tom Zeeb. I'll talk to you later.